You can study in Germany almost for free because a lot of public universities don't charge tuition fee. But many students get stuck during the application or visa process. So in this video, I will show you step by step how to apply to German universities and get your student visa successfully. We'll cover everything from using a program, applying, getting admission, opening a block account, and finally getting your visa to travel to Germany to study. Welcome to Tuition Free World, where we share scholarship and study abroad opportunities. If you like this video, please stick around to the end. Hit the notification bell, subscribe, share, and like so that YouTube algorithm can show this video to others. This will help the channel to grow as well. Thank you for your support. We really appreciate it. Okay guys, the first step we're going to look at today is how to choose a program. And I'm using two websites. The first one I'm going to do is I'm going to use the German Academic Exchange Service website, which is called DAAD. So I'll use it. Why am I using it? I'm using it so that I can be able to narrow down the universities I want. It's easier, it's better. But even after that, I'll still need to go back to the universities, confirm the information. Okay guys, now I have admission database. I just click on it. Okay, you see that database on admission requirements. Currently it covers around 140 countries. So what I'll do first and foremost is to come here and search for my country and just say for instance Nigeria, and then it was asking me what type of grade report do you have. So let's go and say I'm a graduate or at least 3 years. I'm using masters as a program. So this is what you get. So if I click here, it takes me to this. As you can see now, the first thing you want to do is to choose an English language. See, 2,000 of them. Okay. Then course of study. You choose your course of study. Let's look at what we have here. Let me just choose engineering, for instance. Okay, I'll choose my degree type. I want master's, 160 of that. Maybe this would do. Let me look at more features. Let me see. Any other thing? Yeah, national country that are not EU. So I want course that are not EU. And another thing that's important also is to choose without admission restrictions. That makes it very easy for you. Got that. So if you look at that, this is what you get. You get all the schools are doing that course. And if you come here, for instance, this is this university. Come here and click. This is what you get. See, that's the information that you want. So when you have confirmed that this is what you want to do, what you now do is to click and go to the website of that school. When you get to the website, there are a couple of things you need to look out for before you make your application. First one is admission a restricted admission or not? Simple difference is a restricted admission is an admission where the people who are looking for admission are more than the spaces they have. So there's a bit of competition. So they set the bar higher. But if it's not restricted, that means once you have the entry requirements, you are guaranteed admission. That's just the difference. That's number one. You have to also be looking at English language requirement. Do they ask for IELTS or not? Some will ask, some will not ask. So you check it out. Then you also look at the school. Does the school ask for direct application, or do they apply through Uni Assist? Uni Assist is a platform where you make application, central platform where universities register are members of that and they make application. Application fee, they charge application fee, so you need to check all this things before you make your application. The university asks you to apply through Uni Assist. Note that the fee is 75 euros for the first choosing course of study, then subsequently 30 euros. Again, also, even for some universities where they ask you to apply directly, some of them still charge their own application fee. Some don't, so you need to find out before you now gather your document and make the application. Thank you. Okay, after you've gotten your admission, the next step is to apply for your visa. And the best place to get information, current information, is from the website of the German embassy in your country. If you look at this is German mission in Nigeria, and this is for student visa. And if you come down here, you see the list of items. Okay, list of items that is required, so you can go through them. I'm going to put the link in the description. You can go through that and see what is required. And then the very important one here is the proof of funds, which we call in the form of a block account. It means you're going to open an account in Germany for your monthly upkeep. I'm going to expatiate on this in the next clip. So you look at it. I don't want to make this video too long. Just look at it, all the things that you need that apply to you, and provide that. And once you have that, then you can go and book an appointment online to submit your documents. Okay, so once all your documents are ready and you want to apply, so you come to the online application. This is the page. You put your country, you can see, and this is Lagos. You apply. By the moment, you can see the German mission responding for you is currently at full capacity. So I will need estimated waiting time 2 to 8 weeks. I can click register and register and be on the waiting list. So I'll probably give them like 2 months maximum. But after that, they have to process the visa as well. So give and take, I will recommend that you give at least 6 months for the process to go through. Thank you. Before you can come to Germany to study, number one, you need health insurance. And this is something you have to do before you apply for visa. Also, you need to have a block account. A block account simply means you open an account in Germany with the tune of 11,904 euros. That money is for you, but you can't access it until you get to Germany. When you get to Germany, it will be released to you every month. Every month they will release 992 euros for you. That's the money that for your upkeep for every month for 12 months. So you need to have that money. You need to open that account before you even apply for your visa. It is very important. So once you get your visa, the next step is to travel. When you get to Germany, you will need to register and get your resident permit. Thank you so much for sticking around to the end. If you find this video useful, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, share and like, and comment. And don't forget, I have links in the description for this video for different aspects of the video. Thank you and God bless.